Hello guys, so this is another project I bring to you today. SideKick fans, right? And this project is a good project because it is backed by Binance themselves. Binance team Binance Lab backed up this project. And when you see that a project is backed by Binance, make sure you take that project very seriously because Binance is the biggest exchange in the world, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. So not all these Telegram projects that I've been talking about, all these Hamster, Time Farm and Co. Not many of them are backed by Binance, but very few are backed by Binance, and this Sidekick fans is one of them. So make sure you take this project very seriously. I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to farm this project and make the most money. You can make up to $100, up to $200, even $500 from this project, right? The link will be in the description below, and let's get straight into the tutorial.
Alright guys, so like I said, this project is backed by Binance. So I want you guys to take it very seriously, right? Now, if you want to start this, you click on play. You click on the link in the description to this project. You'll be able to join Sidekick. It will bring you to this page. So you just launch the app. Now, this project is pretty easy. In fact, it's one of the easiest projects to do. All you need to do is complete the tasks. Now, there are some tasks to do. Like if you just enter the app like this, you click on tax, you see that there are some tags to do. Invite 5 friends to get 100,000. Connect wallet. Follow us on YouTube. You see, if you can see, I've done most of these tags, right? Then, if you have completed all these tags, the other thing you need to do is just log in daily. That's all. So you complete all these tasks, you can get some amount of up to over 100 and something thousand points. Then you will click on pass here. There are some other tags here too. I'll give you 10,000 of the coins. Now note that to complete this pass, you need to get this battle pass. Now this battle pass is like a VIP, as you can see here, but you are not going to need to pay, I think, 0.2 ton for this battle pass, which is I think about $2 or $3. I can't really remember the exact amount I paid, but I knew that it was not so much. No, I think it's about $1 even. It's about $1 to get this battle pass. It's not that expensive. So if you have the money, you can just get the battle pass and you'll be able to do this daily checking. So you'll be able to do all this join, all these ones like I can see here, 10,000. You can claim it, then you can do the daily checking. So I've not logged in today, so I will just log in and check in and collect 100. And after 7 days, you check in every day for 7 days consistently, you get 50k, right? As you can see here. So that battle pass is pretty easy. So just connect your wallet. I've connected my wallet here, which is already in the tax. So you connect your wallet, then just pay for the battle pass, just about $1, and you are good to go. Then you can invite friends, right? Get as many friends as you can, and then that's all for SideKick fans. It's literally one of the easiest projects to do. If you have done all the tasks, then all you need to do is just log in every day and claim your rewards, right? Your daily rewards, right over here, daily checking, and that's all. So that is for this tutorial, guys. Very easy. You guys take it serious. This project is backed by Binance. I've said it more times and times again. I want you guys to take it seriously because you can make good money from this project. Who knows? So that's it for this video.
So guys, that's basically it for this video, guys. Very simple. If you have the money, you can get the battle pass. It's just $0.1. But this is not a financial advice. So you can take the information as you will. If you can't afford it, then get it. And if you can't afford it, it's also fine. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a group on WhatsApp. The link is in the description where we talk more about crypto airdrops. You can ask questions over there. We drop more crypto updates. Before I even have time to create these videos, they already dropped the update on the group. So the link will be in the description. Join my WhatsApp group. It's free, and I'll see you in the next video.